So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing some wax rings in this toilet in the hall bath, the tub shower combo here, two sinks behind me. Anyways, there's lots of water coming out around the base, so we replaced the wax ring and the closet bolts, added a brand new supply line as well. We like to do that when we take things apart just so we're pretty confident we don't develop another leak up top after we've done the repair down below. Both of these closet bolts were rusted all the way down to the flange, so we had to cut everything out with a Sawzall. So you've got new brass bolts, and then you've got a flanged closet ring, and then also a single closet ring, a wax build-up, because the tile is higher than the flange down there. So it's seated real good now. We got some shims around the front. We caulked it back in, and everything is good. We run lots of water down it, and there's no leaking. I would monitor it, just stay after it diligently, make sure that nothing develops. Any trouble, if it's a hollow, we'll come back out, take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.